Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another video for all the maths lovers, and this is based on our ebook of short tricks. The chapter number 4 of that ebook of short tricks highlights the importance of having finding the squares tricks, and then finding the cubes tricks, and then square roots, very important, and then cube roots also. So I hope you have seen the previous 6 videos in which I told you some basic tricks to square some special numbers, and this video is no different. We have yet another amazing short trick to find the squares of 3-digit numbers using identity, and the 3-digit numbers which we are going to take up, they will go up to 300. That means up to 300 any 3-digit number can be squared using this amazing trick, and you will realize that why you haven't been doing all these things before. So whether you are a school student, a college student, or anybody preparing for any placement exam, any Olympiad, you need to watch this complete video. And if you want a compilation of all these tricks at one place, you need to spend a little bit on your education. You can send me a message on WhatsApp. I'll send you the ebook of short tricks 9896 369963. This is the WhatsApp number. You can find the details in the description of this video as well. So friends, let's see the concept in hand first. So when I talk about the concept, this is one of the very important things everybody should know, so that you feel comfortable with the examples which I am going to take up after taking up this concept. For that, for simplicity's sake, let's say we are doing the square of 114, and I want to find this without having to do traditional multiplication, that is 114 times 114. So what do you do here is, I will take the first 2 digits as one number and the remaining digit as the second number. Now if I call this as A and this as B, so I will be writing A square and B square together, like one after the other. But that is not the square. This single digit square will always be a 2-digit number. Like 4 square is 16, it is a 2-digit number. But had it been 112, so 2 square will be 4, so it's a single digit number. So whenever B square is a single digit number, you need to write it as 04. Like 2 square is 4, so 04. 1 square is 1, so 01. But that is to be considered only for the B square, not for A square. A square can be a single digit or a double digit number. No problems. And now watch what will happen. The product of these 2 digits, that is 11 into 4, and double of this, that means we are doing double of A times B, 2AB, is to be written below this number 2AB. But how do we write these numbers is very important. So I am demonstrating how do we write these numbers. See, A square is 11 square, which is 121. B square is 4 square, which is 16. So I have written them together. Now 11 times 4, 44, and double is 88. So where do I write 88? I will leave one digit from the right hand side and then write 88 here, and add vertically. You will see the magic happening on the board. Here we have the square of the number 114. So 114 times 114, if you try, the answer will be 12996. Now this is the concept involved, and see how beautifully we can apply this to find the squares of some big numbers. Here we have 163. So I will do 16 square, which is 256, and I will do 3 square, which is 9. Now comes the exception. So 9 means I'll have to write 09, and then 16 times 3, which gives me 48, and double of 48 gives me 96. I'll leave one digit from here, write 96 below 60, and then add vertically. So this is 9, this is 6, this is 15, 5, 1 carry, and then we have the 6, and then we have the 2, giving you 26569 as the square of 163. Likewise 189 square. So all you need to do is to know the square of 18 and the square of 9. 18 square is 324. 9 square is 81. And now comes the important step. You have to do 18 times 9. We all know 18 times 9 is 162, and double of 162 is 4. Then we have the 2 and 3. 324. So we get 324 when I doubled 18 times 9, and this 324 is to be written after leaving one digit from the right hand side. So 324. And now let's check. 1, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1 carry. So this is 7. And then we have the 5. And then we have the 3. 3, 5, 7, 2, 1 is the square of 189. See how beautifully the method works, and with little practice you will gain a very amazing speed of actually finding the squares of numbers up to 300. Let's practice this now. 19 and 4. 19 square is 361. 4 square is 16. Now I have to do 19 times 4, which is 76, and double of that, which gives me 152. So 152 to be written here, leaving one digit from the right hand side. Add vertically, you get 6, 3, 6, 7, 3. 37636 is the square of 194. Look at this, 23 and 7. Now you should know what is 23 square. That is why I have taken numbers up to 300, because more often than not students remember the squares up to 30, and that's why. So 23 square is 529. 7 square is 49. Now what should I write below this? I have to do 23 times 7, which gives me 161, and double of that will give me 322. Now 322, leave one digit from the right hand side and add vertically. 9, 6, 11 means 1 carry, 6, 5. 5, 6, 169 is the square of 237. Now coming to two more questions. I'll take big numbers here. 26 and 4, 264 square. 26 square is 676. 4 square is 16, and if you do 26 times 4, you get 104, and double of that is 208. So this 208 will be written here and then added vertically. 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. So 69696 is the square of 264. Likewise 29 and 3, 293 square. So it's a big number, right? 29 square is 841 and 3 square is 9. So 09, and if you do 29 times 3, you will get 87. Double of 87 will be 160 plus 14, 174, and 174 will be written in the middle. So 9, 4, 8, 5 and 8. So 85849 is the square of 293. So with little practice you will find this within 4 to 5 seconds, I tell you, but remembering these squares up to 30 is important. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and along with the subscribe button, please click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on our channel. Do practice this method and let me know from 1 to 300, can you square any number using this approach? All the best.